get the package today, and I'm so excited with this vintage bag that I got it in luxury closet. So this is coming from Dubai via Aramex. So let's see what is inside, and I will tell you the price. So it's very well sealed. For this brand long time, you know. This is actually the first bag that I used from Louis Vuitton. So you can see it's coming from the luxury place. This is the first time I bought this one. Can see the dust. Ang ganda ng bags. I say the luxury closet. Luxury closet is like a buy and sell authentic luxury bags, watches, shoes, and everything. And there's the taxi noise. And I'm gonna tell you the price later. Louis Vuitton. The name of the bag is Louis Vuitton Monogram canvas leather Montigueil European bag. What is this? Look at this. It's almost like new. Of course, it's vintage bag. I saw it's like made on 2025. You guys knows how to check a date code. Yeah. It's M14078. So if you go and track it down on the date code, it's France 2008. So it made on 2008. Baby, look at you. returns will only be acceptable if the bag remains attached. So, hindi ko pa siya tatanggalin. Tapos, titingnan nyo, napaka-perfect pa yung kanya. So, makikita mo yung authenticity ng leather. I love it. I love it. I love it. Huh?
Good.
So it's a vintage bag. Siya pa rin naman yung nagbayad. So if you guys wanna check a luxury closet, they are actually in Dubai. So you wanna check their website. So luxury closet. I'm gonna tell you the price later and I'll think about it. They have also all kind of luxury things that you need. They all have everything. You can check the luxury closet website if you want to see the price. What? Yay! Thank you, baby. It's very clean. So you see the bag, if it's typhoid, the difference of the leather will change in the color. Like my bag, once it become old, the color will be like this. And I always want, I can't wait, the color will change though. But since I have this one, I'm gonna always use this. Forget again, the name of the bag is, it's too hard to pronounce, Montigueil PM bag. And the luxury closet, they have a website. I think I want to visit them when we go to Dubai.